Hey guys, now it's time to sing some of our favorite storytime songs. Are you ready to sing? Alright, let's do it. Okay, we're going to start with our hello song. Goes like this. Hello friends, hello, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Let's do it a little faster. Ready? Hello, friends, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Nice. All right, get your blackbirds ready. This is one of our favorites. Okay, it goes like this. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Nice. Now we're going to sit in the grass. Two little blackbirds sitting in the grass. One named Slow and one named Fast. Fly away, Slow. Fly away, Fast. Come back, Slow. Come back, Fast. Nice. You guys are so fast. All right, now we're going to fly in the sky. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky. One named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low. Fly away, High. Come back, Low. Come back, High. All right, last one in the cloud. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. And one named Loud. Fly away loud. Come back loud. Nice. Excellent job. 2 thumbs up for that one. All right, now we're going to do one that we have not done in a while, and it's called The Wheels on the Bus. Have you heard of this one? Awesome. It goes like this. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The baby on the bus goes where, 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 where. The baby on the bus goes where, all through the town. The mama on the bus goes shh, 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 shh. The mama on the bus goes shh, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back, all through the town. Last time. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Good job, guys. All right, our next song is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Ready? This is kind of a calmer song. Let's take a deep breath. Nice. Okay, it goes like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Good job, guys. All right, today is a shaker day. So remember, if you don't have an egg shaker at home, that's okay. I don't have one at home either. Today I'm going to use my bagel seasoning. Has anyone ever tried this? It's pretty good. But if I shake it, kind of sounds like an egg shaker. It's just a quieter egg shaker. So you can get a salt shaker, you can get a pepper shaker. Just make sure you ask your parents to help you find something, right? You don't want to just go get something without asking. That wouldn't be a good idea. So I have my bagel seasoning. Do you have your shaker ready? Awesome. Our first song is one that you guys know, If You're Happy and You Know It. Here we go. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a shake. If we're going to do a gentle tap. If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a tap. Nice, now we're going to do a clap. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it, give a clap. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a clap. Now we're going to do a wave. If you're happy and you know it, give a wave. If you're happy and you know it, give a wave. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, give a wave. Nice. Good job, everybody. Sorry my egg shaker is so quiet. That's okay. I can still hear it. All right, our next song is a new shaker song that we have not done before. So, it's new for me, it's new for you, and we'll figure it out together, right? Nice. All right, it goes like this. Egg shakers up, egg shakers down, egg shakers dancing all around the town. Dance 'em on your shoulder, dance 'em on your head, dance 'em on your knees and tuck 'em into bed. Did you like that one? Let's do it again. And you can't see my knees or toes, but I promise I'm shaking them near my knees and toes. Okay. Oh, good God. Alright, guys. Okay. Here we go. Egg shakers up, egg shakers down. Egg shakers dancing all around the town. Dance 'em on your shoulders, dance 'em on your head, dance 'em on your knees, and tuck 'em into bed. You just pretend your hands are like a little bed for the shaker. Say, good night, shaker. Good job. All right, and last shaker song will be Popcorn Kernels. You guys know this one from our scarves, right? It's pretty much the same, just with a shaker instead. But remember, we don't throw our shakers. We just wave them in the air. Nice. Okay, ready? Popcorn kernels in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Yay! All right, should we do that one again? Yeah. Okay, it goes like this. Popcorn kernels in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Yay! Good job. You guys did such a good job singing today. Now we have to do our goodbye song, and we're just going to say see you later because I will see you again next Wednesday for more library time. Okay? Here we go. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you all next week. All right, my friends, I miss you, and read lots of books. Bye.